Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of developing cognitive diagnostic computerized adaptive testing. In this presentation, I will refer cognitive diagnostic model as to CDM and computerized adaptive testing as CAT. I believe the purpose of education assessment is to provide useful information to help learning and teaching. But most of the traditional ways of assessment just provide total score like this. So sometimes some students are discouraged by their low scores and they just give up in helplessness. So to address this issue, CDM is a good alternative testing method, I believe. Let's take a look at this example. It's a fraction problem, and then we can find some constructive information through this example. The 8 cognitive components are the one that is necessary to solve general fraction problems. And then in order to solve this specific problem, the 2 components, which is A1, understanding the meaning of fraction, and A2, changing fraction forms, are required. So if students get this problem wrong, we can tell that students need to work on these 2 cognitive components. And also, let's look at the orthogonal. Like after completing the test, we can see that this student is very good at A5 and A4, which is reducing to the lowest denominator, and the other one, then they need to work on other components. And this merit of CDM can be maximized if it meets CAT. Figure 1 shows the example of multi-stage CAT. It is basically select items based on previous students' response. So what if CAT is applied to CDM? Like how can it be applied in classroom setting? After class ends, after a session of class ends, students can be provided specific problems related to class material, and then depending on their response, correct, incorrect, they can be also provided the supplementary problems that help to improve their lack of cognitive skills. So because of the educational implication, I strongly believe that the research on CDCAT should draw more attention.